Have you ever experienced a minor cut or scrape, only to worry about it turning into something more serious, especially when you are far from immediate medical help? Yes, antibiotic ointment is highly recommended and truly essential for your emergency first aid kit. It serves as a critical first line of defense against infection in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. The reason antibiotic ointment is so important comes down to preventing infection. Even small breaks in your skin can allow harmful bacteria to enter your body. These bacteria can multiply quickly, leading to pain, redness, swelling, and even more serious conditions if left untreated. Antibiotic ointments, which often contain active ingredients like bacitracin, polymyxin B, or neomycin, work by killing or slowing the growth of these bacteria directly on the wound surface. This creates a protective barrier, drastically reducing the risk of complications from infection. Using it effectively is straightforward. First, always clean the wound thoroughly with mild soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. Once the wound is clean and dry, apply a thin layer of antibiotic ointment directly to the affected area. You do not need a thick glob, just enough to lightly cover the wound. After application, cover the wound with a sterile bandage or gauze to keep it clean and protected. Remember to change the dressing and reapply the ointment daily, or as needed, especially if the bandage gets wet or dirty. What many people do not realize is that the shelf life of these ointments is typically 1 to 3 years when stored properly, making them a reliable long-term addition to your kit. Furthermore, having a triple antibiotic ointment on hand can be particularly beneficial. These formulations combine 3 different antibacterial agents, providing a broader spectrum of coverage against various types of bacteria. This broad protection can be invaluable when you are unsure of the specific type of bacteria that might be present in a wound, offering a comprehensive defense in a single product. Incorporating antibiotic ointment into your emergency first aid kit is a small step that yields significant benefits. It empowers you to address minor injuries promptly, minimize the risk of infection, accelerate the healing process, and ultimately maintain your health and well-being, especially when access to professional medical care might be delayed.